Basic general knowledge quiz on birds. 10 questions, 4 options in 5 seconds. Let's start. Study of birds is called ornithology, ichthyology, herpetology or pedology. And the right answer is ornithology. Which is the national bird of India? Pigeon, peacock, parrot or sparrow? And the right answer is peacock. Which of the body part birds do not have? Spine, toes, brain or teeth? And the right answer is teeth. Which bird lays the biggest egg? Ostrich, hummingbird, eagle or emu? And the right answer is ostrich. Which bird has no wings at all? Penguin, bat, kiwi or hummingbird? And the right answer is kiwi. Which bird use their feet to eat? Crow, owl, eagle or parrot? And the right answer is parrot. Which bird lays one egg in 2 ears? Flamingo, albatross, hornbill or kiwi? And the right answer is albatross. Which bird flies longest distance in his lifetime? Eagle, Arctic tern, albatross or flamingo? And the right answer is Arctic tern. Which bird can climb on trees? Wagtail, quail, lark or woodpecker? And the right answer is woodpecker. How many species of birds are there in the world? More than 1,000, more than 3,000, more than 6,000 or more than 10,000? And the right answer is more than 10,000. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.